Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the ice crystals case for the Mi 11 Lite. And Mi 11 Lite is one of the best looking phones, guys, of 2021, and this is the CareFone case which is available for the Mi 11 Lite. And let us just unbox and check out how it looks and how it feels. I've been using this for about 10 days, so you all can consider this as a short review of this case. And it comes with dual tone, one is the gray and one is the black. The edges are a gray in color, obviously, as you can see, and it's perfect for this kind of phone because this is very reflective and shiny phone. And I would like to cover this with something like very minimalistic case. And there are air cushions, guys, at the side, which is going to protect your phone against bumps and all. And let me just show you some other things also. Especially the pattern is looking great, guys, and it feels great in the hand too. And the camera bump is a bit huge, but definitely it is going to protect your phone against drop and all. Even the volume keys are protected, and there is a cutout for the fingerprint sensor over here, and also some cutouts for the charging and the speaker, etc. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular phone. And if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to channel, and do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. So after installing this case, it is very slim, guys. This is one of the major reason why I purchased this phone. And especially this kind of cases, it is not going to take that much of space. And as you can see, the camera bump is properly covered and it has been protected well. And there are some ridges kind of things which are there on the camera bump, so definitely it is going to protect you. And even the fingerprint scanner, as you can see over here, is properly exposed, so you won't be having any problem when unlocking your phone. So let me know in the comments below what kind of case you all are using. And even as you can see, the top speaker grill is well exposed, so even having a call won't be any issue. So I've been using this for about 10 days, as I said. And even the charging case, I had no issues with this, especially the speakers and all are properly exposed, so we can hear the sounds. And we are having this IR blaster and all. So my only concern was like this camera bump is becoming huge, guys. And as you can see, it is one I'm able to use the phone in one hand, and this texture is really great, guys. You are really going to enjoy this, like sort of a fidget spinner. And dropping the case, I don't think so. The phone with the case won't be an issue. Also, as you can see, it is one-handed device, because the phone is very slim. So highly recommended for those people to get this case who are looking for a drop protection. And aesthetically it is looking good, so you might have a love or hate relationship with this case, because this kind of cases, guys, they come with a dual tone and not everyone likes the gray color. But in my case, I really like the new color, and it is sort of a fresh feeling. And as you can see, I'm able to use the volume control very easily, and I'm having no issues with this. So I'll be putting the link in the description to do check it out. And also it helps my channel to grow if you subscribe this particular channel. And this is how it looks, guys. And really I mean, creating this kind of videos really motivates me in creating more content for you all, so do subscribe. And this is my previous case which I had been using. I have already done a kind of a review of the other case also. And as you can see, if you are looking for a drop protection, this is a better case. Otherwise, the previous case which I was using is not having proper cutouts, so it might not protect your phone 100%, guys. So this is how it looks. Let me just show you the side also. As you can see, the fingerprint scanner is properly protected with the new case, and previously it was just a cutout, a huge cutout, and dust can get into those kind of areas. Even the camera bump was not so much protected, whereas on this case, now the ice crystal case, it is well protected. And I can see, guys, these are kind of a sort of extra struts or rigid kind of things, and it is just slightly raised to protect your phone against side drops and all. And this kind of cases won't protect you, it is only for aesthetic. So as you can see, guys, over here the side is slightly been raised, and especially the design is great, guys. It is having that diagonal no lines kind of things, and it just feels great in the hand and it makes some nice noise. I cannot show you on the camera guys, but owning this case, I would say this is my daily driver. I've been using this for the past 10 days, and till far I had no issues. In fact, this is the best case I would say for the Mi 11 Lite. And also do check out my other videos, and I'll be linking all the case links in the cards, and also do check out on top. So let me know in the comments below, do you like this case or you hate it, or you are thinking of buying these for your Mi 11 Lite. And let me just show you other comparisons also, especially the top part. I would say the black color case which I had done previously is having more exposed area. So if slimness is your highest priority, then go with the other one, this case. Otherwise the ice crystal case is one of the best, and especially it is very unique looking guys, so it is just going to stand out in the crowd. So definitely recommended for those people only who are looking to get a drop protection and something unique case, especially the bumper on the sides. As you can see over here, it is very unique and it is gray in color. So in certain conditions guys, it just slightly looks bluish, but yes, you can definitely go out with this and have no issues. Also, I've been using this in my jeans pocket and all, and as you can see, there is no denim marks or blue color marks on this, and it's kind of good. And especially when you are removing this particular phone from your pocket guys, I had no issues. In fact, certain silicone or TPU cases, they have issues when you are removing it, and you can just get your phone in and out of this case very easily, as you can see, because the sides are really like kind of rubbery and folding kind of bending kind of things. So putting the phone inside and out and removing the case is not going to have any issue. Also, this is sort of completely sealed, so just in case if you drop your phone in water, it might protect you all. And also it is going to definitely protect you all from dust and debris and even the pocket cleans. So definitely this is sort of a kind of a very good buy. And as you can see, the cutouts and all is really perfect guys. And let me know in the comments below what you are thinking about this particular case, and I can really fit this case very easily for my phone. And let me also show you how much is weighs guys. So I'm having this particular weighing scale, and we are going to weigh both of these cases because that would be a fair comparison. And this is a lighter case which I have, which is just 18 grams. So if you are looking for a minimalistic case, do check that out. I've done a review of that also. And do check this. Let me just put it on the weighing scale. So this is around 28 grams, so this is 10 grams heavier than the lightest case, I would say. And I don't think so the 10 grams is much of a deal, because considering this particular beauty of the phone, that is the Mi 11 Lite, and being a slimmer phone, even if you put the case, and let me just weigh it with the case guys, it is just going to feel that much light. And as you can see, even with the case, it is just 187 grams. Most of the phones are about 190 gram guys, but this is with the case. This phone is very light. And yes, definitely you can go with this and you are not going to have any issues with this guys. So 187 is very light guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular topic or the case, and I hope to see you in my next video.